bringing you all the news from Erie to Philadelphia counties. Back live with John Smith. This just in. There has been another spotting of the Monkey Man around Fort Indiantown Gap, Pennsylvania. This spotting happened around 20 minutes ago, and this is the footage from a couple hikers in the area. Please proceed with caution if you live around Fort Indiantown Gap or the surrounding towns. This creature can go so fast in such a short amount of time. Please proceed with caution if you live around the area, because this creature will attack and kill you at first sight. There's been another spotting of the Monkey Man around Fort Indiantown, Pennsylvania. This spotting happened around 20 minutes ago, and I live 10 minutes from there. I think it's time for me to go out and try to find this infamous Monkey Man that I hear all about recently. Guys, I'm getting closer. I'm only 8 miles away. 8 miles to the Monkey Man. Let's do this. So guys, I'm out here trying to find the Monkey Man. I think I found his hiding spot, but it's a dangerous creature. And I don't know if I'm going to make it out alive, but if you're watching this, you'll find out what happens to me at the end. Wait, that's the Monkey Man behind me! Ah! Guys, that was a close one. I'm alive, but after he tried to attack me, he ran away, and I don't know where he is now. I'm gonna go back to try to find him. There he is. I think he's in his... Oh, he's drinking water from the creek. Oh my, look at him. Look at this majestic species. Oh my. Wait, I think he sees me. Oh no, I can't see him through the brush. He just tossed a rock. I think he sees me, guys. Oh my god, he's gonna try to kill me. Oh my. Oh no. I lost him. Where did he go? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna have to call it a day. And I think I lost him and I can't go. Wait, is that... Oh my god, he's right there! Oh no. How is he getting into all these places so fast? Monkey Man. Oh my. See how close I can get without him trying to kill me. Gotta go nice and slow. Oh my, is he? Oh my, he disappeared. Where is he? Oh no. Wait. Oh! 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 Monkey Man. A little sexual.